Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today is the day that's about to go down. Y'all, I am about to make my first seafood boil at home, and I hope that this turns out right. So I'm on my way over to Kroger real quick because crab legs are $14.99 a pound, and then I need to get, I think, one more jar of minced garlic, and I need to get a couple seasonings for this. And I want to make sure that we have enough Old Bay because he tends to use way more than I do. So yeah, so we're making our first seafood boils at home rather than going somewhere because of the fact that where we live at, we don't really have too many seafood places that do the boils, so we're just gonna do it ourselves. So join me on my way to Kroger, and then we'll jump right into getting into the seafood boil made at home. And I like garlic butter, so mine is gonna be garlic butter. His, who knows? Alright, so I'm finally here at Kroger. Alright, so I was just in here yesterday, but yesterday, when I told Charles about like the seafood boil idea, he was like, oh, you can have at it. I'm not gonna do it. So we're definitely gonna try it today. So here I am back at Kroger 2 days in a row to get his crab legs. I think I need to get some more minced garlic. I definitely need to get some like parsley, some lemon. I just, I want to make sure that mine is well prepared. And then I also just might want some extra pieces of sausage, and then I need to get some more potatoes because the ones we had I just bought the other day gone bad already.
How much is it?
Alright y'all, so I'm out of Kroger, got everything I needed, I think. Or I hope. So yeah, I'm on my way back home now. And I'm gonna go ahead and get this seafood boil started, like prepped, because I gotta go back to work tomorrow. I've enjoyed my spring break, and it's time to go back to work so that I can hurry up and get these. June 10th is our last day. That's all I'm gonna say. So 2 months. 2 months. I'm definitely looking forward to summer break. All right, so I got the turkey bags like you guys get at Thanksgiving time, and then some fresh parsley, some onion powder, a fresh piece of garlic, got some minced garlic, and then I got some parsley flakes. I also got the onion, the garlic powder, paprika, some lemons that I just cut up, and then we have the the crawfish boil bags, some cayenne pepper, and then Italian seasonings, and we got garlic salt, and then this is the fresh parsley that I blended up in this blender along with some minced garlic, and I also added in some fresh garlic pieces. And oh my gosh, if only y'all could have smelled this. I bought some bay leaves, and then we got like 2 or 3 different minced garlic. This one is in olive oil. Thank God I bought some extras because I wasn't about to use that. And then I also got some Old Bay. And then, like I said, we got the shrimp and crab boil bags. I got the sausage, and then the 2 ears of corn. And of course, we can't do a seafood boil without potatoes and butter. So the first thing that we did was boil the potatoes and boil the corn. And then of course, once all of that started getting fixed, I went ahead and made the sauce. So this is just strictly butter and fresh parsley and a little bit of like paprika, a little bit of Old Bay, and then a little bit of like garlic powder. So I got my pieces of corn on, and so then we got the potatoes on. Next, I wanted to go ahead and we wanted to taste test it to see if they might have been done. They definitely were. This was definitely our first time doing it. So here it is. We got everything laid out. And so Charles chose to not do corn in his. I chose to do everything except shrimp in mine. So he had shrimp in his. Mine had sausage, potatoes, corn, the crab legs. All right, so our seafood boil is out of the oven. Y'all check it out. All right, so I got sausages, potatoes, corn, the works. Still eating.
No shit.
Thank you. So somebody done tapped out on me, but I'm still sitting here eating.
I'm done.
I'm still trying to eat just this one little piece right here.
I'm done.
He done.
Super done.
I'm still eating.
Done.
I got like 7 pieces of sausages
I
left.
ain't got nothing.
Still got 2 pieces of corn.
I got
And I still got 3 clusters basically of the crab. He said I did my thing on the sauce. Let me show y'all my sauce. Y'all, look at the buttery sauce with the minced garlic and the parsley. Yes. Y'all. Trying not to eat up all my potatoes, but I got more.
You need a couple more?
Nope.
You sure? I got a few more in mine.
To the point where we can't eat no more. So you gotta wrap it up. I'm feeling good. Now ask me if my body feeling good is the question. I feel like that tick.